Here at the Bloomberg School, we educate people from all over the world. Now I'm pleased to announce we're extending our reach and offering public health degrees to our canine friends. That's right, pups. Tell your humans you want to take your training to the next level. Come on, let's go. In order to accommodate our furry friends, obviously we had to make a few changes. Our water filling stations now include bowls for pups big and small. And simulated grass pads have been installed in every restroom throughout the building. We also made changes to the curriculum. Beginning today, our four-legged friends can enroll in courses that engage all of their senses. Our Paws On intro lectures cover all the basics. And for our reactive friends, many of our learning options are available 100% online via the Course Pups web portal. As far as food options go, the Daily Grind has adjusted its menu to reflect the palates of our new pup pals. And to wrap up, can you believe it? All of the exercise TVs on the 9th floor are now tuned in to Paw Patrol and the Nature Channel.